Next event is event number 36, the boys 13-14 200-yard backstroke. There are 2 heats. In the first heat, in lane 2 is Peter Pepin. Lane 3, Andrew Liu. Lane 4, Jake Cunningham. Lane 5, Duran Joker. Lane 6, Blake Garr. Lane 7, Sergey Turlin. 8, Kyle Peters. 9, Dang Boom. Attention parents, coaches, and athletes, event number 25, the girls, 15 and over, 200-yard breaststroke is now closed. There are 2 scratches. Thank you.
Go, Aaron. Come on.
Attention parents, coaches, and athletes, tonight's 15 and over boys 200-yard breaststroke final. 2 alternates, Austin Alexa and Max Giannopoulos. In the consolation heat, Ben Cesare, Brandon Clayson, Jack Sullivan, Alan Liu, Raphael Tao, Parker Pierce, and Anders Youngman. In tonight's final, the 15 over boys 200-yard breaststroke in 8